everyone, it's Connie and Aldo here today at our ASI warehouse. We've just received our shipment of the new Surface Laptop Studio.
The Surface Laptop Studio is the latest device from Microsoft and it's set to release in March 2022 in Australia, but we were lucky enough to get our hands on these a few months early.
At ASI Solutions, we believe you have to have a hands-on experience with the device to truly understand the difference. We're going to send a few units over to our Microsoft specialists across Australia who will tell us more about the Surface Laptop Studio.
Hey there guys, so the Surface Laptop Studio is my favorite design Surface device so far. You start off with the 14.4 inch display, and it's got a 3:2 aspect ratio, so it keeps in line with the productivity purpose of the Surface lineup. On the side here you've got two USB-C Thunderbolt 4 ports, which is fantastic for plugging in monitors, docking stations. You can plug an eGPU onto here and all your other USB-C peripherals. On the other side you've got the Surface Connect port, which is used for charging and a Surface dock, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. There's an option of getting the Surface Slim Pen 2, which you can charge at the bottom over here when you're not using it.
Hi everyone, I'm Brandon here from ASI Solutions, and today I'll be talking to you about the Surface Laptop Studio. Now, specifically we're talking about the actual stages and different modes. So the first mode that we see here is the actual laptop mode. So this works like traditional clamshell, and the way this is used is mainly for typing up notes or even using it for Outlook email. Now, I'll take a screenshot here quickly. So now I'll just take this. The second mode you'll see here is now stage mode. So what this is usually used for is when you want to use just your pen. You still have your trackpad here. So this is great for annotation or even for highlighting. And it also works great for Teams calls. Now lastly, you also have is studio mode. And with studio mode here, you can use it like a normal tablet or even like if you're writing on a piece of paper. So for here, I can, for example, use a template, and also I can work on it normally as I would.
When you're at home or on the go, it can be challenging to find a spot with great lighting for your Teams calls. Even with a 1080p camera, a spot like this can be difficult because of the well-lit background. With the new Surface Laptop Studio, you can still look your best with inbuilt camera optimizations for white balance and exposure. In these recordings, you can see how the device, without camera optimizations, struggles to simultaneously focus on myself while retaining good lighting. The Surface Laptop Studio, on the other hand, does this flawlessly.
At ASI, we have an amazing team of Microsoft specialists. We'd love to connect with you and help you understand how you can improve your business productivity, your employee experience, and make sure you're leveraging the best out of your technology investments. Please connect with one of our specialists. We'd love to show you more.